Good evening, guys. How are you? I hope you guys are doing very well. Welcome to the new video from Extreme Trader. Today we are going to do a scalping session. Just now I have opened the market, and so far things seems to be very good. Uh, we want to do now some scalping. Some people thinking that I have two strategies for scalping. One is with the 4 hours and 5 minutes, the other one with the 15 minutes. Actually, I'm using the same. Both of them are same. For example, I don't need to look for the 4-hour chart to know that right now I am on a resistance. If you go to the 4-hour chart, I am on a resistance. I don't need this because from my experience, I can tell just looking at the 15-minute chart, I can tell if I am on resistance or a support. I'm just saving my time. But for you guys or for the beginners, you perhaps want to do it and look for the 4-hour chart. So anyway, let's begin. Since this is an educational video, I'm going to switch to the 4-hour chart, and from there I will look for my level on the market. Before I start my scalping, two topics, two things I have to talk about. First of all, the stop loss. Many people are talking to me about stop loss. How come you are trading without a stop loss? Why there is no stop loss? Actually, guys, in my opinion, stop loss is one of the biggest lies in trading history. Why I'm calling it biggest lies? Because it's like an illusion just to help you to save your money. But what you don't know is stop loss could be the fastest ticket to wipe your account. How come? For example, if I, for example, have placed sell buy order here, and I set my stop loss here, what will happen, guys? What will happen is the candle will go up and then go down here, hitting my stop loss, and then again go up. You don't want this to happen if you place, for example, a buy order. You don't want this to happen, guys. Or for example, let's say, for example, um, let's say if I place here buy order and I set this one, if I set this one as my stop loss, what will gonna happen? Candle will go a little bit up, then again it will come down, then I will start freaking out, hitting my stop loss, and then boom, flying away, making me losing so much and missing about, wow, guys, that is 246 pips. It's too much because I'm on the 4-hour chart. I'm telling you guys, this is bullshit. When you are expert, you can tell if your trade is in loss or not just by looking at the candle shapes. I will talk about this in separate video. I don't have time to talk about this right now. Anyway, what I'm doing is I'm not using stop loss because I can tell just from the shape of the candle if my trade is finished or not. So the other thing, I was going to talk about two topics. Stop loss and what? There were there was two topics to talk about here. Actually, I think I forgot. Uh, I forgot. Anyway, let's go to the main subject and let's start our live trading session. So, oh yes, now I remember. Some people asking me, if you are on a resistance level, how do you know that on the 4-hour chart, the current candle will not be the breakout candle? For example, here I am, for example, let's say this is a resistance here. Okay, so this is a resistance level, and if I look at this candle here and I place sell order, how can I know that this candle not going up, making me lose my trade? As simple as that. And the answer is I always take the second or first attempt of any support or resistance. For example, look here at this support here. We have the breakout candle here. Then after the breakout candle, we have attempt number 1 of the support and attempt number 2. Okay? I'm using the attempts of support and resistance to know if the candle will break this support or resistance or not. How am I doing this also will be explained later. So anyway, guys, let me now just go to the topic. We have wasted 5 minutes already. Let me find a chart where I am on a support or a resistance. So opening the GBP GPY, I can tell that I am currently on a resistance, but the candle has already went down. So I think it's kind of late entry. Let me switch back here. Nothing good. Okay, now for the Euro USD, I am currently, guys, on a resistance level on the 4-hour chart. Okay? So go to the 15-minute chart and yes, immediately place. Oh, the lot is big. Shit, I missed that. Anyway, it will be good, I think. It will be a winning trade. So, why did I enter here? Let me explain. I had to do it because there was no time to explain. Since I am on a resistance on the 4-hour charts, going back to the 15-minute chart, I can see clearly, guys, that here I have a resistance. Oh, this is for 5 minutes. Okay, 15-minute chart, we can see here that I am on a resistance level, and we see the bullish breakout candle. Then again, another bearish breakout candle on the same level, meaning this is a resistance level, and the candle going to fall down. So as my strategy rules, if we're going to place short or sell, I will set my take profit to be at the next nearest support, which is here. So let me set my take profit to be at this support here. This is big lot actually. I forgot to change it. No problem at all. I still believe this trade is going to fall down, especially after hitting this level here. So meanwhile, let's go to another trade. I am now on a resistance on the GBP USD. Going to the 5-minute chart. Check this out, guys. We have here the red breakout candle, and since I am on a resistance, I'm going to place sell. Why? Because I see that here on the left there is a resistance level, there is a resistance zone, and this long red breakout candle is passing this breakout or this resistance, sorry. So definitely, guys, definitely the candle is going to reverse and go down. Let me see where my take profit will be at the next nearest support, which is here. Because you are now here on this level, so where is the next nearest support? It will be here. This is a support and this is a support. Here we have a support, 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 and you are now on this resistance. So basically now both of our trades are currently in loss, and that is of course normal, because first of all there is a commission for the broker. Second thing is what the second thing is? That's normal. It's normal in Forex. Sometimes the candle will go a little bit more up and then finally they will go down. So you have to get used to it. Don't rush. Don't rush and judge. If you see the candle going a little bit up above your entry point, don't scream and say, oh no, I made a mistake. No, I'm not a good trader. It's going to lose. Trust me. Close your trade. Come back after 5-10 minutes and you will see how much money you have missed in your rushing. So we are selling the Euro USD, selling the GBP USD. That's good, perfect. Checking my favorite currency strength indicator. Euro is stronger than the USD. Selling the Euro against USD might not be the smartest thing, but I'm just hoping for a small reversal that can give me some money. NZD will be avoid to be sell. Okay, so AUD, Euro, and NZD are strong. We should not sell them. Let me see. So USD JPY. Okay, good. Actually, this is a very good position for sell. Very good position. Let me explain why. Because here I am on a breakout candle. Guys, I have to sell this because this is the best entry point. My take profit will be at the next nearest support, which is here. Okay, explain. Explain, okay. Look, guys, at this long red breakout candle, the bearish breakout candle. And I am on a resistance level. Looking at the left, on the same level, we can see here a resistance. And here as well, we can see a resistance. And if you want to take things more little bit extreme, you can see how the candles actually broke out this level, broke out from this resistance level, but couldn't hold the position for so long, and therefore, boom, it just went down again, falling again below the resistance level, meaning it gave up. It just tried to go above this resistance. It couldn't. It just made a fake breakout, then again fall down, and again is creating the resistance. And when the candles tried again to go up, what happened? Boom! Massive falling down. Isn't this awesome? This is amazing. You can see this level is extremely strong. This is a very strong level, and trust me, this candle, even if it goes a little bit more up, it will again fall way too much down. And honestly, my take profit line is way too much near. Maybe I will have to set it like this at the next nearest resistance. So far we have 3 trades. Let's wait and see how we are doing later. I will pause the video for now. Okay, guys, so I am a guy who I am honest with everyone. So I want to show you that even me, sometimes I fall to the mistakes. This is a mistake that I have explained to you maybe in the second video in my channel. I told you don't enter more than 2 trades at a time. Don't enter many trades. What I have done here, guys, is I'm selling the euro against the USD, and also I am selling the USD in front of the JPY. That is so wrong. That is so wrong because I have to close this trade in a loss. I cannot like buying the USD somewhere and then selling the USD somewhere else. That is wrong, and that is how you guys might lose money. Now I'm not worried about this because I can recover easily. I can recover. So let me search again and see what we can do. Now I can buy the USD. That will be clever because I am selling the USD. I am selling the Euro USD, meaning if I'm selling the Euro USD, I am selling, sell, right? Since I'm selling the Euro USD, I'm saying that the Euro will go down and the USD dollar is going up. Meaning I can now find setups where I can actually buy the USD. Now look at that. USD Canadian is on a support level, but that is not really my strategy. I don't want to do this. Let me see USD CHF. Nothing. If I see any pair starting with the USD, I will just focus on buying setups, not sell. Now you can see AUD USD, AUD CHF not in good position as well. Nope. Nope. Okay, let's see. CAD JPY. The CAD JPY, now we can see now, guys, it is passing a breakout candle. Now what I have to do, look at the left and see a resistance, and I can see here this one here, and you can see the candle just hit this level. This is awesome. What did I do, guys? I just look at the left. I see any resistance passing this breakout candle. There is no resistance here. There is no resistance here. No resistance here. Only this resistance here. We can see it actually touching this level of the breakout candle. Therefore, placing sell here was the right decision. I can sell now, but it will be kind of late. It is late, and I usually don't like late entries, but still, this should be fine. I will set my take profit to be at the next nearest support here, giving me a profit about $65. So you can see now the candle is going a little bit more up to my red line. Yes, that was here the best place for sell. What I'm going to do now, I will place another order. I just want to have my entry as high as possible. This is extreme trading. This is what we have in this channel. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Now, let me tell you about stop loss. Maybe my trade will be in loss. It can fuck up anytime, right? This is the market. This is how it works. What will happen, guys? You can see I have here indicator telling me the remaining time for the candle. Since I'm on the 15-minute chart, this candle have now 9 minutes 35 seconds left. What I will do now is I'm going to wait and I will see how this candle will close. If this candle close as a breakout candle, if it close, guys, close as a breakout candle, then I will sell my order and I will be in loss. I will stop loss. Only if I see the candle closing as a breakout candle. Because sometimes, of course, the candle might go a little bit more up, but then it will go down just to create the wick. So don't rush at all with your decision. Don't think that it is a breakout already. It might be not. You can see now, guys, all of our trades right now are in profit. This is the first one we have entered before. I told you guys, because on the 4-hour chart I am on a resistance, and seeing this resistance here and I see the breakout candle, I can know definitely sure this candle is falling down, and my take profit was set at the next nearest support. There was no doubt that this trade will be a winning trade. That's why I didn't mind it. Even if the lot was high, I didn't mind. That is our last trade. You can see the CAD JPY is falling down, and okay, both of them. This one, JPP USD, is a little bit struggling. We will see how it is going later. Let me increase this one. Maybe, guys, you cannot see the score because of the YouTube watermark. So now we can see that all of our trades are currently in profit, all of them. I think I might stop this one and accept $112 profit. This is my way of scalping, guys. I am not greedy person. I just accept little profit, and that's fine for me. I'm okay with it. I am okay with this. Now we have here a support, so maybe the candle will reverse at this point, so better let me close the trade. This one also, this one I think it might go a little bit more down. I will not close this one. I will keep it running. Meantime, let us search more for setups. I am again, guys, on the 15-minute chart. Look at this now. Now we have here a breakout candles. Okay. Now let's look at the left. Where do you see a resistance? I see a resistance here, and I see a resistance actually here. Okay, I want you to understand this, guys. If I'm telling you to enter here now with the sell order, is this the right option? No, it is not. Because look here, we have also another wick just half an hour ago. It came to this point, reached this level, and then reversed, hitting the next nearest resistance. Meaning this trade has already been consumed, because I cannot enter again after seeing the reversal happen, because my strategy says enter right after the breakout candle. So you can see now this candle, most likely it will go more up, breaking this level, this resistance. I am assuming it will keep going all the way up until hitting this line here, because on the left we can see that here we have a resistance. So after the breakout here, it will go all the way up until hitting the next nearest resistance, which is here. Once you can read the market like this, scalping will be so much easy. The secret to win your scalping trades is to be able to read the candles. Try to supersede the candles. Try to surpass them. Don't let the candles to control you. I mean, of course, you cannot control the candles, but I mean, try to read it. Try to predict it. Don't let the candles just to oversmart you, if you know what I mean. You just need to be aware of how the market is moving. You have to understand the candle's behavior, and therefore you can win your scalping trades. So I'm sure this candle will not reverse from seeing this strong bullish movement. I'm assuming that this two candles will continue going up until hitting this resistance here. So until that happen, let me try to find another trade. You know what I will do, guys? I will set a pending order here. So now if the candle will touch this level, sorry, a sell order will be activated. Alright, let's moving on. Here, guys, we can see one trade we have missed. Look at this. Let me explain to you. We can see now the candles are here. This is the current price. Look at the left, we can see this breakout candle. And now look more on the left. Where do you see a resistance? Look, guys, here. Or let me make it more clear. At this level here, within the breakout candle, look at the left. The left is your secret to enter the market in the correct level. Where do you see a resistance, including this breakout? This we can see it here. This here, I have marked this wick here as my resistance. So what I can see now after the red candle, breakout candle, look at this. The market has reversed exactly at this point. And if I enter here, my take profit will be the next nearest support. This is really awesome. I am enjoying this. Okay, let's move on. Here there is no valid setup. Here, yes, we can see that it happened already. Let me tell you guys. Look at this breakout candle. Okay, this is a breakout candle because it's very long and broke a resistance. Now look on the left. Look on the left within this breakout candle. Where do you see a support? Because you are going to place now buy option here. Look here, guys, we see this support. Now look later what happened here. The candle has indeed reached this point and went all the way up, hitting the next nearest resistance. Follow it, guys. Follow it. Look at the candle. Look at this long wick. The candle has reached this point here and then went all the way up, giving me profit. Then the next candle went also up until here, this point. Where? Until the next nearest resistance. Guys, it's not magic. It's really simple. Trading is simple. Just don't make it complicated for yourself. Let me see where we can have valid trade by now. I'm just looking to find any valid setup. Let me go again. At the moment, I cannot find anything. AUD/USD, no. Nope. Nope. I think I might need to pause the video until some new setups appear. I'm just looking at the pairs one by one. Cannot find really the right one. Oh yeah, this is our trade. You can see how it's reversing indeed and giving me profit. Good. CHF. This one is kind of reversing at this level. I just don't believe it will reverse here. I really think it will go up. The next candle at least, it will go up until hitting the next resistance. No much valid setups at the moment, except from what I have taken already. Just looking here and there. Nothing. Okay, good. So this trade, I'm thinking I'm going to close it. Yeah, I will close this trade and I will accept this small profit, which is fine by me, not a problem. So let me see what else we can talk about here. Yes, guys, let me talk to you more about the support and resistance and how can you decide them. What you need to do, as I have mentioned in the previous video, is you have to look for the long wicks here on the support level. I usually avoid this kind of reversals when I see both bodies next to each other like this. I trust the long wick here like this more because this one indicating a very strong strength in the level. Meaning once the candle has reached this level here, the resistance of the level was strong and the candle immediately bounced back and went all the way up. Meaning the power of this support here is so strong. That's why I trust the long wicks the most when I want to mark my support and resistance levels. I believe that was it. That was our full live trading session for tonight. Tomorrow will be actually another video, but we will see about it. I will maybe talk about 4-hour chart, maybe the long-term trade strategy, or perhaps explanation in Arabic language. Until then, guys, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.